Back into 6.4 here, CP Finite, and these are advanced counting techniques. So now we are getting real deal. Yeah, it's getting advanced, but really it's not too hard. Let's look at this here, okay? If I want to arrange the letters in, let's get a good word here. Letters in Mississippi. Mississippi Queen. Mississippi, okay? Let's say I want to arrange those letters in Mississippi, okay? And I don't particularly care if it comes out to be a real word or not. So, real or imaginary word. How I can arrange those, because let's think here, all right? I have M. I have a few I's, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 I's. I have a few S's, 4 S's, and I got 2 P's. M is different though. But really, if I arrange this word, and let's just say, so you don't even have to write this down, let's say I write, let's call this I1, I2, I3, and I4. Okay, if I were to arrange this as M, I, and let's say that's the second I mean, S, S, I, let's say that's the first one, P, P, I, P, wow, M, I, S, S, that should be S, S, I, Dvorsky, P, I, okay. Looking at this here, so this is actually I1, I3, and I4, okay? You're like, Dvorsky, it's the same word, okay? It's the same thing. So the way to arrange things is going to be, we have how many total letters. So we're going to take the total things, or letters, in our case. Mississippi has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters. We're going to factorial that. And we are going to divide by the different repeating letters. So we're going to divide by the different repeats. Okay, factorial specifically. So I have 4 I's. So I'm going to take 4 factorial to take care of my 4 different I's. I have 4 S's. Okay, 4 factorial to take care of my 4 different S's. Because really they're the same whether I have them in different places. And P, I also have 2 of those. Factorial. So I have 2 factorial. Okay? Typing all that in your calculator, I would recommend doing 11 factorial in parentheses and dividing by, if you all put it in 1, 4 factorial times 4 factorial times 2 factorial, all in one chunk, 34,650. Okay, 34,650 ways to arrange those letters that repeat. So another example, let's say instead you're looking at the word dad. Okay, D-A-D. Simply put, how many ways can you arrange? So ways to arrange. Okay, and it doesn't matter if it is a word or not. You can have, there are 3 total letters. D repeats twice. So that's for your 2 D's. And A only repeats once, so you don't have to even include that. but 3 factorial over 2 factorial is really just 3. So there's only 3 different ways you can arrange that. So if you do type that in, you get that there. The other example to look at, the other advanced example. Let's say we are picking a junior varsity and a varsity team. Okay, and let's say it's soccer. So soccer, there are 11 players typically on the field. So varsity and JV soccer team. Our JV squad has a total of 30 kids. 11 are to be on the first line. All right, 11 to be on the first line. The varsity squad has a total of 25 kids. 11 again are to be on the first line. We have 2 different teams. We have the JV squad and we have the varsity squad. So with this particular case, how many different lineups are possible? So the question is, how many different lineups possible? And that is between JV or varsity. You're simply going to add the 2 particular cases. So let's just look, for example, at the JV squad. Well, there are 30 total. Now, for the particular lineup, it does not matter. Okay, there are 30 total. For this particular lineup, 11 of them are going to be on the field. Let's pretend they're all equally the same capability, so order doesn't matter. If order doesn't matter, it's going to be combinations and 11. For the varsity squad, again, ordering not mattering, there are 25 students. For the varsity squad, again, order not mattering, there are 25 students. And I'm picking 11 of them. So the ways the JV squad can be selected is 5, 4, 6, 2, 7, 3, 300, sorry. And the number of ways the varsity squad can be selected is 4, 4, 5, 7, 4, 0, 0. The different lineups, JV or varsity, you just need to add each specific committee, each specific team. So it's going to be the 30 choose 11 plus the 25 choose 11. And there's a large number for that. 5, 9, 0, 8, 4, 7, 0, 0. So if you were a coach and you had to think of lineups, there are 59 million different lineups. So that advanced case is when you have 2 separate, we like to call them committees or teams. So 2 separate, I'll call them teams. And whenever you have that case, you need to add the total different things for each spot. So more practice will be coming your way. Your essential question: how do you count the different ways to arrange the letters in Queen? So how many ways can you arrange those letters? And also, for you, provide a word for a peer to rearrange. Okay? And Dvorsky dollars, if, so say someone else posts this one and you go back and find it, you'll get Dvorsky dollars if you do that on Google Classrooms, okay? So arrange the letters in Queen and provide one for someone else and have them solve it. Dvorsky dollars coming your way. Awesome stuff, guys. See you tomorrow.